Back in Maycomb City, this is the Boo Radley's house, where all mysterious things take place. Kids, go inside. Where is he, Cal?
He ought to be coming right about now.
Not running, is he?
He's in the twitching stage, Mr. Heck.
Should we go after him, Heck?
Not right now. We don't know what he's gonna do.
There he is!
He's got it all right.
He's in range, Heck. Get him before he goes down the street.
Take it, Mr. Finch.
No, I can't.
You have to. I can't.
No, I haven't shot a gun in 30 years.
You're the best shot. You can do it. He's dead. There goes that Jean Louise Finch and her brother.
No! Deb, what are you doing? Stop! Why are you doing that?
What are you doing to my trees?
Now listen, I don't care, I'll do it again if I have a chance. Now shut up or else I'll pull every hair out of your head.
Jim! Did you do this?
Yes, sir.
Why did you do it?
Do you law for Negroes and trash?
Did you do this because that? It's not acceptable to do something like this to an old, sick lady. I strongly advise you go down and talk to Miss DeBose. Come home straight afterward. I said go! Scout, stay here.
Run, Scout, run!
No.
Help, Jeb! I can't get up!
Okay.
Atticus?
Call Dr. Reynolds. And where's Scout?
Here she is.
I'm alright, Auntie. You better call Doctor. Atticus, is Jem dead?
No, Scout. Look after her, sister.
Auntie, is Jem dead?
No, he's just unconscious.
Jem.
He can't hear you, Scout. He's out like a light.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, Scout. Atticus, did you hear them?
I had the radio on. Go ahead, Scout. Tell us what happened.
I don't really remember. I just remember Jem hollering and him, and then I didn't hear him anymore. And then Mr. Ewell grabbed me and started to choke me. But then someone else attacked him and he brought Jem back here.
Who was he?
Hey, Boo.
That way.
Run, Scout, run! He's ready. Hold on, look it.
And then can I leave after that?
No.
No, I can't.
Yeah. No. That's me. Here.
Yeah. No, that's in the next.
Oh, yep, you can leave after that.